Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about making money online with Google. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Start a blog. Blogging is a great way to make money online with Google and it costs very little to get started. To create your blog, you'll first need to purchase a domain name and hosting. You can use Namecheap to buy your domain name and SiteGround for your hosting. These platforms are the most affordable options to get your blog off the ground. Next, you'll want to install WordPress on your site. It's completely free and make managing your content a breeze. After installing WordPress, you can pick a theme for your blog to get the look and feel you want. There are plenty of free themes you can use, or you can choose to purchase a theme if you want something more customized. Finally, it's time to start writing content and promoting your blog to the world. Once you have created your blog, you can sign up for Google AdSense or other ad networks to make money with display ads. When visitors click on these ads or view them, you will earn money from Google. But that's not the only way your blog can earn money. You can also use affiliate marketing to earn money on autopilot. In order to be successful with this digital side hustle, you need to choose a niche that you are passionate about and drive traffic to your blog through SEO or social media. Growing a profitable blog is not an overnight process. It can take anywhere from 6 months to a few years before you see any significant results from your efforts. But, if you stick with it, blogging can be a great way to make money online with Google. So, how much can you make? It's possible to make $10,000 or even $50,000 a month from blogging. Below are my revenues from blogging in 2021. You can see the exponential growth you can achieve to reach your financial goals. Start a YouTube channel. Another great way to make money online with Google is by starting your own YouTube channel. To get started, you'll need to create an account and start uploading videos. Once you reach 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months and 10,000 subscribers, you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program. Once you're accepted, you'll be able to run ads on your videos and earn money from Google. But that's not the only option when it comes to earning money with YouTube. You can also promote affiliate links to make even more. Just like blogging, it can take time to build up a large enough following to make money with YouTube. But, if you create quality content and market your channel effectively, it is possible to make a full-time income from YouTube with the ad revenue alone. Check out some of the top YouTube channels in the world. Some of them net over $50 million annually. Sell products on Google Shopping. Google Shopping is a great platform for e-commerce entrepreneurs to sell their products. To get started, you'll need to create a Merchant Center account and add your product feed. Once you've set up your account, you can create shopping ads to promote your products on Google. When someone clicks on your ad, they will be taken to your website where they can purchase your products. While this isn't a direct way to earn money with Google, it's a great way to use Google to its full capabilities to profit. Use Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion is a great way to make some extra money in your spare time. All you need to do is sign up for an account and you can start taking surveys when the app notifies you. For each survey you complete, you will earn Google Play credits which can be redeemed for apps, games, books, and movies. You can also choose to receive payment in the form of a PayPal deposit. While you won't get rich taking surveys, it is a great way to make some extra money with Google and get paid for your time. Create an app. Creating and selling an app via the Google Play Store is another great way to earn money while you sleep. If you have a great idea for an app, you can develop it and then sell it on the Google Play Store. There are several ways you can monetize your app. For example, you could charge an upfront fee for the app. This will often turn away some potential customers, but it will also help you to make more money when you start selling it. Another option is to offer in-app purchases. This gives users the ability to buy additional features or content within your app. You could also choose to use ads to monetize your app. This is a great option if you have a free app. While it can take some time and effort to create an app, it can be a great way to make passive income without needing a fortune to get started. Start a podcast. Podcasting can be an excellent way to start making money online with Google. With this method of content creation, you'll first need to find a topic for your podcast. Ideally, it's something you're passionate about and has a large enough audience so you can start making money from your efforts. Once you've landed on a topic for your show, you'll need to decide the format of your show. For example, some shows will have routine guests on their shows where they answer questions. Other podcasts might not have guests on a regular basis, but interview people in their niche. Once you've determined the format, it's time to start recording and editing your podcast episodes. You might think you need the world's best microphone and audio editing software to start your podcast, but this couldn't be further from the truth. A simple microphone for under $100 and some basic audio editing software can get the job done. After you've created a few episodes, you can submit your show to various directories like iTunes and Google Play Music. There are several ways you can monetize your podcast, including partnering with advertisers to have show sponsors and using affiliate marketing. The amount of money you can make with podcasting varies greatly depending on your niche, the number of downloads your show gets, and how well you monetize your show. Some podcasters make over 7 figures annually from their podcasts, so it's definitely worth your time if you want to make money on the internet. Tip: if you want to grow your revenue, it's a good idea to have a blog or website that goes along with your podcast. This will give you another way you can earn money in addition to your podcast. Work as an SEO consultant. The SEO industry is worth over $80 billion in 2021, and it's only going to grow in the coming years. The chances are, whenever you have a question, you go to Google or another search engine to find answers. This means there's a tremendous opportunity for businesses and website owners to generate more traffic and revenue for their business through Google and other search engines. So, what exactly is SEO? According to Search Engine Land, search engine optimization is the process of improving your site to increase its visibility when people search for products or services related to your business in Google, Bing, and other search engines. If you're an expert in SEO, you can start your own consulting business and help businesses rank higher in Google search. The amount you can charge for SEO services can be tremendous. Some SEO consultants charge over $200 to $500 per hour of work. Of course, you'll need to build up a reputation as an expert in SEO before you can start charging these high rates, but if you understand the industry, it's possible to make great money with this method. Use Google Keyword Planner. Using Google's Keyword Planner can be another good way to start earning money with a website. This tool helps people understand what keywords or phrases are being searched for, so you can optimize your website or blog around those topics. For example, if someone is searching for how to start a blog, you could write an article on that topic and include the keyword in your article. By optimizing your website or blog around popular keywords, you can start getting traffic from Google and promoting ads on your site. Sell a book. Writing and selling a book can be a great way to earn passive income with Google. By self-publishing your book on the Google Play Store, you can earn money passively and get paid to write. There's a lot that goes into publishing a book, however. While some people think it's as simple as writing a novel and working with a publisher, there's more involved than you might think. For example, you need to think about things like marketing, cover design, and editing. While your publisher can help you with some of these steps, you'll still need to manage the details yourself. Thanks for watching.